In the previous video I promised to get directly into the notion of equivalence, a very important notion. We saw in the previous video some representations, and we saw that we had sort of phi, psi and psi prime. Please check the previous video. And we saw that these representations, they were the same. Okay, so this led us to the very important concept of equivalence. So definition of equivalence: two representations, phi from the group G to the general linear group and psi from a group G to the general linear group, of course with they might be different or not, different vector spaces, are said to be equivalent if there exists an isomorphism. So this T here is our isomorphism that takes us from V to W. Okay, and so this is an iso. How is this isomorphism? This will be, so T takes us from V to W such that psi of G equals, so I see it this way. It's I should write this for you guys to see. Okay, psi of G equals phi of G. When can we say that psi of G equals phi of G? If there is a T and T inverse here, okay, for all G in G. Now, if you, is this correct? Yes, it is. Okay, if you right multiply both by T, so if you put a T here, a T here, and a T here, T times T inverse, that's the identity, so this is identity. Okay, it disappears, so this is a different way to write it. Okay, so if this happens, so these two representations are said to be equivalent, right? And in this case, of course, phi is equivalent to psi. Okay, this representation is equivalent to this representation. Okay, let's draw a picture here. I think it's easier. Okay, so we have space V, right, going to W. Okay, and so I'm going to write this 2 times V going to W. Okay, but my phi is taking, right, this is phi of G, taking from V to V. And what about W? Well, this is a automorphism psi of G. So here we have this T, this isomorphism from V to W, and here we also have, okay, so psi of G is this one, right? But now you're going the other way, right? So here you need the inverse, right? So since you are this is a composition, so inverse, right? Then you take this one here, that's phi of G. Okay, so this one will be the first one, this one the second composition, and then this one, and that's T. Okay, okay, I think this is pretty clear. So in this diagram it commutes, meaning that either of the two ways of going from upper left to the lower right, okay, to the lower right of the diagram, you always get the same answer.